So we've already talked about this a little bit in the past on our site, but this time we are finally getting it in person. This is the GameScent. It is an AI-driven scent releasing system compatible with all games and platforms. Let's open this up, see what comes inside, and we'll talk a little bit more about it. Generally, the idea that when you play, you're getting immersed by the visual effects, especially also if you're playing in VR. Sometimes it might be a nice idea to be able to also deal with maybe scents. You got sounds, visual, why not scent? Get the whole game in there. Well, right here we have a box of scent bottles. We've got accessories. You got the audio stream adapter. And then we've got the actual unit with a guide that'll help you download an app to make it so you get things done easily. Okay. Let's actually cut this open, make it a little easier on ourselves. Okay, so you got your nozzles here, trying to spray up a couple additional nozzles. You have USB-C plug port there, I guess that's power. Let's see the accessories real quick. I bet there's a power cord in there. Yep, so we actually have a very low profile USB-C to USB-A plug set here for the device. I imagine since it's going to be regularly powered, it doesn't need to have fast charging. Okay. So you would just plug that into here. And then this right here is an audio jack. Cable for PS4, PS5, or Nintendo gaming headsets. Okay. Like this. Okay. And then in here we have the audio stream adapter. Okay, I see now. So the AC already actually goes into this box here. And then you have your HDMI in, and you have an HDMI out to your device. You have an audio in, which you can plug this into for your gaming console headset controller maybe. And then you can actually plug this into the actual device here and this into your headset, which is nice. And that's if you need to put audio in and out. I imagine HDMI will also do it. And then you can actually set it between what's in the HDMI and the audio. Yeah, okay. So yeah, you can set this up to go through HDMI, or you can set this up to go through the audio. And then you have an on and off button on here. That's really cool. And you do have some audio cabling, and then an additional USB connection from this to that. So that's a lot of really cool accessories. If you have any questions about setting it up, we can always check out the quick guide, which we'll go through in a second. It's on there in the app, which we will actually go through. But let's talk about the scent bottles. So right off the bat, you're getting 6 with the system. Pop these out here. And then it says it comes with gunfire, explosions, racing cars. So I imagine it smells like the tar, like the tire wax, rubber, forest, storm, and clean air scent. And then there are additional ones to purchase online, like napalm, human exertion, ocean, and golf course. I imagine human exertion smells like a gym locker room. Ocean might be good. Golf course, I imagine smells like a little bit mixed with the ocean and maybe some grass. Maybe a mixture of ocean and forest is golf course. But we'll look through these right here. They call them game scents and movie scents because you could use these with gameplay, or you could use them with movie play. And then if you pop this top off here, this is your atomizer that's going to actually basically activate the scents. And this one here is Storm. So you would take this off. And I imagine you can put whatever one you want in which. Except gunfire, they want you to put in the one position. And then from there, you can basically keep track of which ones you're putting in which ones. So you're going to take this bottle top off. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can see how that could be gunfire. You screw that bottle cap onto the top of it. And then you want to line up the button press to go in there. That's going to activate the head. It's going to spray up the gunfire. So what we're going to do is we're going to download the app. I'll show you a little bit of that. And then we're going to show you this actually in action. We'll be right back. I hope you guys found that helpful. Hopefully pick it up for yourself, and we will see you guys next time.